Okay, quick weekend update on the Playdate voice recorder. I ran into some issues while using it. One issue I have is that the recordings I create here are in a Playdate format. And if I want to plug it into my USB, I cannot just take it and put it on my Mac and listen to it because it's in this Playdate format, which is kind of a little bit variation of the .wav format. When I uploaded them automatically, before I did the conversion right when I was uploading it, like while I was streaming the data to the server. But I'm not sure if I want to use the upload feature because it's kind of slow and the transcription didn't add much. So I kind of tried to slowly remove it in this version. But it has a bunch of cool new stuff. So for example, if I make a new recording here, you can see I have this cool tape recorder thing going on now. If I stop, there's even like a tiny animation. And the cool thing now is, let's stop this. I made it so that I can just like stop the recording, and then later I can go to any recording and I can just hit the arrow button and it will continue the recording right where I left off. So I can get my thoughts down, think about something for a little bit, don't even need the Playdate to be with me, and then later I can just continue the recording. Then you can also finally delete a recording. We made it like a very tiny interaction. If you just click B here, you have to confirm it with A, and then it gets deleted. And yeah, that's just like some struggle I have. I'm thinking about how to solve this. The recordings also need like kind of a lot of space for the Playdate. Like they're way bigger than the app binary itself, obviously. And having two recordings, like one in the Playdate format, so I can play it here and also continue the recording. That's like really important for this one because it just stores the PCM buffers right like in the same file, so I can just continue it, which is really, really cool. But I can't play it on my Mac, so the problem is, how do I get it to be a WAV? Like, of course, I could do like a conversion afterwards, but it's like a tiny device. I don't want to like do big conversions on it. So yeah, that's like what I'm struggling with right now. As I said, I'm thinking about just getting rid of the whole sync stuff, get more screen real estate just for recording, because I think this looks really good. Oh, and like one of the cool things I did, if let's play like an older recording. You're not gonna be able to hear it, but okay, let's look at this. This is like an older recording I did, and now I can look at the sizes of the tape rolls. They're gonna get smaller as I keep cranking. So I can go through this recording by cranking. I can pretty quickly seek through it and stuff. So that was a cool interaction. I think it's a cool use of the crank. But yeah, that's all I have for today. Just a tiny update on the voice memo recorder I'm building. I think I want to get this into a state where I can publish it. Some people asked for me that they want to maybe also use it. I also haven't seen another voice recorder. There are some that I saw, also in like some really good utility apps that do a lot of other things as well. But most of the time, their voice recording is capped to 2 minutes, which I assume is because they're using Lua under the hood, and there they have to write everything into memory and then save it. But with C, we have the chance to, and Swift, we have the chance to just like store every buffer right in onto disk. So we don't really have memory issues and can make the recording as long as we want. I also tried to make like really, really long recordings and then like play them back, no problem at all. So I think that, yeah, could be cool to just have something that's in the ecosystem. Yeah, that's all for today.